Being it's not my first year working on cars, I used to just have heads here, heads there, a socket for 32 mil, a socket for 22. But now I prefer to have something a little bit more comprehensive and something a little bit more durable, for which I have the BOEN 35-piece half-inch chromium vanadium set. I love them because really it's everything you need for working with heavier machinery. So when I'm trying to take off lug nuts, axle nuts, anything like that, and I'm getting out my big Ugga-Tugga gun, I need a socket that's going to be able to keep up with that. And I need a socket that's going to be sometimes a deep neck socket, one that's going to be not as deep, so I need some options in doing it. What I like about their set, it's comprehensive. You have everything from 32 mil down to 9 mil. And you have deep socket, you have extensions coming from 3-inch all the way up to 10-inch. It's everything you need. You also have reductions in there in case you're going to be working with a socket that's going to be a little bit smaller. You can still have a swivel head on there. Excellent, great set to have. Nice and organized, keeps in its own little case. One thing, just make sure that when you open it with this side up, because the bigger boys are held in there, they're clamped in, but the smaller sockets and the deep neck ones, not as much. So you don't want them falling out. Make sure you just oblige. You have 2 clips on the front side and also 2 smaller ones on either side. Also inside, they give you a nice little lifetime warranty guide, and in it, you're gonna have all the torque specs, understanding which size can manage what kind of torque specs, which is great to have, so you understand exactly if you're biting off more than you can chew. And as you can see, BOEN always comes with a little bit more punch and a little bit more foot-pounds of torque that the sockets can be handling, because it is a tougher material. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay handy.